The Sales Organization, Chapter 4, Part 4. Field Organization of the Sales Department. One aspect of sales force organization is centralization versus decentralization. The sales force may be organized by territory, product line, industry, or marketing channel. Some of the managerial tasks are performed centrally. For example, training, recruitment, and salary administration may be done centrally, while operational supervision, promotion, incentive administration may be done within the subordinate sales group, handling the territory, product line, industry, or channel. As a company grows, there is a pressure for decentralizing activities and decisions in order to make the sales force more responsive and agile. The central office should carefully weigh the advantages and disadvantages of delegating greater authority to the subordinate sales groups in the interest of maintaining a balance between responsiveness and overall control. Schemes for dividing line authority in the sales organization. The line authority in the organization can be divided along the following groupings: geographic grouping, product grouping, industry grouping, marketing channel grouping. Geographic grouping of line authority. The sales organization is structured along geographical lines. For example, the sales organization could have a regional manager west, a regional manager north, a regional manager east, and a regional manager south. In this structure, the branch managers looking after the different branches within the region report to the concerned regional manager. The chart here shows the sales department with line authority subdivided geographically. There is a Eastern Division Sales Manager, a Central Division Sales Manager, and a Western Division Sales Manager, along with staff functions like Sales Personnel Director, Director of Sales Training, Director of Sales Promotion, and Director of Sales Analysis. Product grouping of line authority. The sales organization may be structured along product grouping. For example, a company making engineering products such as machine tools and material handling equipment may be organized as sales group for machine tools and sales group for material handling equipment. The chart shows a sales department with line authority but retaining basic line and staff form. The structure has a sales manager for product 1 and a sales manager for product 2. The structure also has sales personnel director, director of sales training, director of sales promotion, and director of sales analysis in staff roles. Another form of organization structure could be a sales department with line authority but retaining the basic line and staff form at lower levels. Here we can see the sales manager of product 1 has sales personnel reporting directly, but there are also staff functions like personnel director, training director, sales promotion director, and director of sales analysis who have staff roles. Industry grouping of line authority. With the rise of relationship marketing requiring intensive knowledge of the customer's operations, sales organizations are being organized around industries. This form of sales organization was pioneered by IBM and Xerox IBM and Xerox had sales organizations which were grouped around product lines. Today, their sales organizations are structured around the industries they serve. Individual groups may cater to the steel industry or the engineering industry or the healthcare industry and so forth. This structure is appropriate for products which are complex and require expertise to be integrated with the client's operations. Sales department with line authority subdivided by type of customer. In the example, the company serves three major industries: the lumber industry, the construction industry, and the mining industry. An independent sales unit is assigned to each of these industries. The sales organization may be structured on the lines of distribution channels. For example, a sales group could be assigned to chain stores such as Big Bazaar, Croma, Central, Westside, or Shoppers Stop. Groups can be assigned to wholesalers, direct institutional sales, and exports. The chart shows an example of a sales department with line authority subdivided along marketing channels. The company sells its products through 4 channels: chain stores, wholesalers, institutional sales, and exports. An independent sales unit is assigned to serve each channel. The matrix structure. In this structure, senior executives representing different product groupings or industries are appointed as corporate executives based in the company corporate office. The company may serve different regions through its regional offices. The corporate product executives interact with line managers in the regions to ensure that the interests of the particular product line and industry are being served. The chart shows a company that has 2 regions, the Western region and the Northern region. It has 3 product lines: personal care, detergents, and packaged foods. The sales unit in the region is responsible for selling all 3 product lines. The region is structured as a strategic business unit headed by a general manager. The sales manager of each region reports to the general manager of the region as well as to the corporate product managers of the individual product lines.